Come with me on my hike today. I'm going to talk a little bit about carrying kit. Hey, this is Wolf from Barefoot Bushcraft, and as always, I'm very grateful that you decided to tune in. It is February 2023, and out here in the Canadian wilderness, it is a beautiful, beautiful day. It is about minus 14 degrees Celsius. That may sound cold if you're not used to it, but I'm in like a wool anorak. I got some layers on, and it's absolutely beautiful out. So my mentor, we'll just call him Dave, and my friend was telling me once, he said, Wolf, you carry all these dogs, and, you hike with dogs all the time. You can see them right there. Why do you carry a pack when your dogs can carry a pack? And that was a really good question. So, rather than carrying all the stuff that I would normally carry, which would be on a hike like this, first aid kit, sit pad, knife, of course, things like that. Why don't I make my dogs carry everything? Because that makes much more sense. So here's what I've done. This is Loco here. He's a big Malamute. He weighs in at about 150 pounds. And he's got a pack on. So we've made a few videos about dog packs before. And you can see it's kind of bulgy because it's got lots of stuff in it. Again, first aid kit, sit pad, bag of cotton balls, stuff like that. Anything that I think I might need on the trip. And so it works really, really well for him. And you'll see in just a second here. Look at that. Over he goes, and it means nothing to him. So that's what's on the dog. So what I have on me is this belt. So this is a Tasmanian Tiger. It's called a battle belt. It's got all kinds of molly strapping and stuff like that on it. And you can see it has like pouches that I've installed. So in here I have things that I need very quickly. My phone, headphones, anything like that. Sometimes I'll carry my ice crampons in here. And it attaches to the dog kit, which is right there. And that's all my dog rigging. We can talk about that in another video. All right, so we'll do a quick go around here of what the belt looks like on. So here's again where I connect all my dog rigging and stuff like that too. If you're really fascinated by that, I can certainly talk more about it in another video. Going around here, I have one pouch. I would keep my phone or whatever in that pouch. I could keep, I keep my crampons in it, gloves in it, anything that I want like that. Then at the back, I've got whatever I want to keep back there that is easy to carry, and that's something I won't need that much, right? So maybe that would be first aid kit, cotton balls, knife, whatever. Of course, I always carry a knife, so that's the K-bar, one of the small K-bar short Tantos. There's videos on it, of course, if you're interested in it. We have other videos. So then you see another pouch right there, right here, that I carry binoculars. If I know I'm going to be doing cutting, I'll carry a saw. And, of course, the front pouch right here, this one, I carry dog treats in it. So if the guys want their treats, and I'm doing, because training never ends, just like for wilderness skills, I can pull this little pouch open here, and I can pull out dog treats, make them sit or stay or whatever. So yeah, that's basically what the belt looks like on, and it's very comfortable. Again, this is Tasmanian Tiger brand. It's a good brand. I've used this now for about 50 kilometers of hiking, so for like several months now, with not having to carry any weight, and I do find it's very freeing. My upper body is very much more free to move around. If you're a little, on the older side, so if you're in your 30s, 40s, 50s, whatever you consider a little on the older side, it's good for your body to not have the pack on all the time, right? So it works out really well, and I'm really happy with it. So I just wanted to make this quick little video here showing Loco and his pack that we wear when we go out. And he's happy to wear it as long as the pack doesn't exceed 20% of his body weight. And if I needed more space and more packs, I've got other dogs that I could put stuff on. Thank you so much for tuning in on this beautiful winter's day. Again, February 2023. And for those of you who ask, how do you walk all those dogs? The answer is lots and lots of training, never-ending training. Just like we train ourselves and our students for bush skills, I train my dogs in skills. So thank you so much for tuning in. I am Wolf, again, for Barefoot Bushcraft. Please consider subscribing.